Looking for a simple way to diagnose car problems at home? Modern scanners can quickly read error codes, monitor vehicle data, and help you understand what's wrong with your car. Best OBD Scanner for All Cars helps drivers easily detect issues, save repair costs, and keep their vehicles running smoothly with fast and accurate diagnostics. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. ANCEL OBD Scanner for All Cars. The ANCEL AD310 OBD Scanner for All Cars is a compact and reliable diagnostic tool designed to help drivers quickly identify engine problems. Known as a CEL doctor, this scanner is widely recommended by auto experts and mechanics because of its ability to read and clear emission-related trouble codes within seconds. When the check engine light appears on your dashboard, the AD310 helps you determine the cause quickly, saving both time and potential repair costs. It also provides useful features like live data monitoring, freeze-frame data viewing, IM monitor readiness, and vehicle information access. It comes with a durable 2.5-foot cable and flexible insulation, making it reliable even in busy garage environments. The clear screen and labeled buttons make it extremely beginner-friendly. Powered directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, it doesn't require batteries. Overall, the AD310 is a practical and affordable diagnostic tool ideal for everyday car owners. Number 2. MOTOPOWER OBD Scanner for All Cars. The MOTOPOWER OBD Scanner for All Cars is a practical diagnostic tool that combines simplicity, functionality, and affordability. Designed for everyday drivers and car enthusiasts, this scanner offers multiple essential functions that help identify engine issues quickly, allowing users to determine the cause of the check engine light without searching online. In addition to reading and erasing codes, the device can display freeze-frame data, monitor IM monitor readiness, and provide real-time data streams such as vehicle speed, engine RPM, coolant temperature, and engine load, and adjustable contrast, making diagnostic information easy to read in different lighting conditions. Its compact design and 2.5-foot durable cable make it convenient to use while working around the car. The device receives power directly from the vehicle's OBD2 port, so there is no need for batteries or external charging. Supporting multiple OBD2 protocols and several languages, it works with most vehicles manufactured after 1996, making it a reliable and user-friendly diagnostic companion. Number 3. FOXWELL OBD Scanner for All Cars. The FOXWELL NT301 OBD Scanner for All Cars is a powerful yet user-friendly diagnostic tool that helps drivers easily detect engine problems. Designed as a reliable check engine light doctor, this scanner allows users to read diagnostic trouble codes, clear engine fault codes, and monitor emissions readiness, giving you a deeper understanding of how your vehicle is performing. One of the standout features of the NT301 is its ability to graph live data streams, which helps users identify unusual sensor behavior or performance issues. The device supports major OBDII protocols such as CAN, ISO 9141, and J1850, ensuring compatibility with many vehicles manufactured in the US, Europe, and Asia. Powered directly from the vehicle's OBDII port, the scanner does not require batteries, making it simple and convenient to use. With its durable build and plug-and-play functionality, the FOXWELL NT301 is an excellent diagnostic tool for quick and accurate engine troubleshooting. Number 4. ANCEL AD410 OBD Scanner for All Cars. The ANCEL AD410 OBD Scanner for All Cars is a feature-rich diagnostic tool designed for drivers who want fast and accurate engine diagnostics. Known for its wide compatibility, the AD410 supports all major OBDII protocols and works with most vehicles produced after 1996. This scanner allows users to read and clear stored emission-related trouble codes, reset the malfunction indicator light, MIL, and check monitor readiness before emissions tests, which helps users understand faults without needing to search online. The device also includes advanced features like oxygen sensor testing and EVAP system checks, helping drivers monitor fuel efficiency and emission performance. Its bright 2.4-inch color TFT display makes the results clear and easy to read, while the intuitive interface ensures simple navigation even for beginners. Since the scanner is powered directly through the vehicle's OBDII connector, it does not require batteries or chargers. Overall, the AD410 is a dependable and easy-to-use tool for diagnosing engine problems. Number 5. FOXWELL NT604 OBD Scanner for All Cars. The FOXWELL NT604 Elite OBD Scanner for All Cars is a more advanced diagnostic tool designed for drivers who want deeper vehicle analysis. Unlike basic scanners that only read engine codes, ABS, SRS, airbag, and transmission, this multi-system capability allows car owners to identify problems across several important vehicle components without visiting a dealership. The scanner also features useful functions such as live data streaming, built-in diagnostic trouble code libraries, data playback, and report printing. With its AutoVIN feature, the device can quickly retrieve vehicle identification information, saving time during diagnostics. The NT604 Elite is designed for convenience, arriving ready to use with the latest software installed. Additionally, it comes with a durable protective carrying case that helps keep the device safe during transport or storage. Overall, this scanner is an excellent choice for users who want a more comprehensive and professional-level car diagnostic tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.